fucking crazy. I need to fix my hair, but I want to show you my little outfit, whatever. Always in the Halloween fit. Always in the Halloween fit. Wear my little sakis, my baby Michael. Always. We was thinking that the water was boiling for the ramen this whole time. He turned on the wrong stove top. Y'all gonna be seeing me looking crazy tonight. I don't care. I had a long ass day of work and I had a long fucking day yesterday. So we're not even gonna talk about yesterday, because I went to go get my Brazilian wax yesterday and I brought my camera because I was gonna start my vlog yesterday and I had no SD card in the camera. So welcome to a new weekly vlog. It's already chaotic. It's already crazy. Let's go make this ramen. Oh, and we're making ramen wrapped in a rice paper because I've seen it on TikTok and I haven't been able to stop thinking about it. So that's what we eating. They got a new Red Bull flavor. It's blue. And it is Juneberry. I still prefer my blueberry one over it. It has like a taste of medicine.
This one kind of tastes like candy. I like that one better.
Than the other blue one? He's crazy. Show y'all this fucking mayonnaise that I be seeing on TikTok all the time. I'm gonna try it too.
Big time forward. The star boy there, so. Came into the game, no one replace me. Me love my energy, strip me no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. Yeah, star boy got me number one. When me tune drop, the girls they bounce along. We don't let nothing come between me and me paper. So when me come in and the place me on that taker. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What they're looking like so far. We got 4 of them. Yeah, no fucking work. And my baby's making a few more. And right here, we're letting this pot get hot. I'm about to add some oil and then we're gonna put those on here for a little bit. Just so that we're not eating the raw rice paper. You feel me? I'm so sorry about the lighting, but anyways, they're done now. And then we got that mayonnaise and Polynesian. Hopefully they're good, bro.
They look good.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome. It is the next day after we made our little ramen fucking roll-ups. I just got out the shower, that's why I look like this. And I just got dressed. I'm gonna show you a little bit better what I'm wearing, but let me see if I can show you a little something right now. It's a black bodysuit and it goes all the way down. I'm doing this little promotion on TikTok. I got this from the TikTok shop and I gotta film my little video for it. So that's why I'm getting ready and all that. I'm gonna leave my hair like this because honestly, I don't really care. And I feel like it's gonna look more and more cute as it dries. But this is what I put in my hair. It's just the Miele Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. I put this in it, and also look how cute. I love that it has like the little cutouts for your thumbs. But yeah, I'm about to do my little makeup, put my earrings on, my nose rings, all that, my perfume and all that stuff. And then I'm gonna come check back in with y'all once I am ready and about to film the little TikTok video, because after that me and my boo are gonna go to the store and buy a few things. I texted him little bullshit like soap, body wash, and we want to make bride Oreos, so we gotta get the stuff for that too. I'm very excited. So yeah, let me get done, finish up. Oh, also I wanted to talk to y'all about this because y'all remember when I was going through my little breakout, like really bad, and I had like a lot of pimples all the time, and I was telling y'all it was because of the birth control and stuff. So I finally mastered like my skincare routine and what works for me. And recently, like this month, I decided to change out my face wash and try a different face wash because I had heard a lot of good stuff about this. Anyways, it was a mistake. Like, I messed up. I had a pimple on this side of my face last week and it went away. But now I have this one and it's just like I'm getting little ones at a time. I know y'all probably like, bitch, but it's like, no. I went from all of it to clear skin and we're not going back down that path. And this is the face wash I'm talking about. I don't like it at all. I don't like the way it smells. I don't like the way it feels. And clearly my skin don't like it either. So when we go to the store, I'm gonna get my original face wash that I know is not gonna do me no fucking harm. And we're gonna get back to that. I just wanted to tell you that because, yeah, it didn't work for me. And I didn't like it, so that was that. But I'm gonna finish getting ready and then come back and talk to y'all.
Yeah, you got that teen, I know. You got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, you got that teen, I know. You got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer.
Video, created my little content. I want y'all to get into this again. I'm literally only wearing blush, mascara, and lipstick. I mean lip gloss. Like, I'm gonna put a light right here. Get into the fucking skin. Y'all know how long it took me to too fucking dark. It's so damn dark. I'm sorry. Anyways, let me turn it off. I just filmed my little promotion that I had to do on TikTok, and I'm editing it now, and then I'm gonna get ready to post it. But I'm gonna check in with y'all when we are heading out to get our little things. Alright, y'all, I don't know if you could tell, but it is the next day. Excuse how I look. It's Sunday, so I just been chilling, like big chilling, you know. I'm in the car now. It's 6:20. I'm going to Target. My boo is making me go to Target by myself. This man don't like going to the damn store. He try to send me to go to the damn store by myself, and I hate it. But whatever. I'm going to Target because I want like apples and caramel to like dip it, because we was at Walmart the other day and they had like a pre-packaged one and I got it and it was hitting the spot, baby. So I'm just gonna go get a pack of apples and some caramel dip. So let's go to Target. I don't know if I'm also looking for a cup, so we're gonna see if Target has the cups. But anyways, yeah, let's get on the road. All right, so I'm in the cup aisle, but none of these cups are like the one that I wanted, and then this side is just kids. So I'm gonna look somewhere else for cups and see what they have. If they have anything, we'll see. Stop it right now. You guys are never gonna believe this deal I just found. I've been looking for a robe, as y'all seen in multiple of my other videos. I was always wearing this like brown robe, and I threw that robe out because I was like, you know what, like, let me get a new one, throw this one out, all that stuff. I fucking hate when cars follow me all the way to park over here. I've been looking for a robe and I finally found one. Finally. Let me get closer to my car, but I'm about to show you my bag. Look, I went here for fucking apples and caramel. I'll give y'all a haul when I get home and show y'all the food my boo made. Okay, guys, so we got the apples, the Gala apples, red, ricotta, cheese, and this is really what I went to the store for, the caramel dip, and this is a big one, so period. And then this is what I was telling y'all about, my little robe. This was, I think, originally $40, but it was on sale for $20, so my little self been looking for a fucking robe, and I was like, why not? Let's get it. But this is the food I was telling y'all my boo made. Pasta. Alright, y'all, I just showered. I wanted to come and show y'all my little robe before I end out this vlog. I love it. It's very long. And it's warm. It's given. They had gray, white, green, and I believe I saw one black one, but it wasn't my size, so I got gray. I wanted the white one, but knowing me, that shit's gonna get dirty, and I already had brown, so gray it is. Thank you guys so much for watching this weekly vlog, this weekend vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you